Hello everyone. So today I want to tell you one very important thing, okay? This is a very important thing in life. So whenever we have to do something in life, there are two ways, okay? One is the easier way and one is the difficult way. Okay? One is the easier way and one is the difficult way. So guys, in physics if you see especially, there are many questions that are a bit difficult, okay? We are not able to understand, we're not able to solve. So what happens is we tend to leave those questions, okay? We think that we cannot do those questions, so we tend to leave those questions. Okay, now when that question comes in the examination, definitely we cannot solve it, okay? But the person who at the time of studying invested time in those questions, he would actually do those, okay? So you chose the easier path, okay? You chose the easier path and you thought that we can leave those questions. And the person while studying who chose the path of solving those questions will now be able to solve the question in the examination also. Now if we go to the end result, okay, if we go to the end result, so the end result is that that person will end up to be a rock star doctor, okay? A dream doctor, a doctor from a dream college, a good government college, be it AIMS or AFMC. But you might not enter into the college of your dreams. Okay, so what happens that you chose the easiest way, you chose the easier way, and eventually you had to give up your dream of becoming a great doctor. But the person who chose the difficult way is now entering into the dream college. So guys, I am again telling you, do not choose the easier path, okay? Do not choose the easier path. The easier path will give you cheap rewards, okay? The easier path will give you cheap rewards, but the path that is difficult will give you great rewards, the rewards which you actually want. So guys, if there are difficult times, that means something good is there in store for you, something big is there for you, okay? So please guys, do not just evade away, do not just run away from difficulties. In fact, face them, because if you will face those difficulties, if you are solving those difficult questions, then only you will get a good rank, then only you will be able to make the difference. So please do not choose the easier path now, okay? If you choose the easier path now, the result is also going to be not of your expectations, okay? If you want great results, put your hard work now. And I know one thing, that you people are the army of rockstar doctors. You people have that potential, and I am dead sure that if you are putting your 100%, then no one can prevent you from entering to a dream college. So all the best guys, thank you.